Hello all, this is Rotaractor Harshavardhani from Rotaract Club of Sri Krishna College of Technology. Today we are going to solve the problem to find the longest common prefix from the given words. I am here using Java. I am first creating a class named solution and I am creating a function named longest common prefix. Now first we need to check if the string is null or the length of the string is 0. If the string is null or the length of the string is 0, we return nothing. And now we are going to store the 0th index value, that is the first given input in prefix, and we need to give it in the loop and check the other inputs if there is any longest common prefix. So we are starting from I equal to 1 inside for loop, and index value should be less than the length of the string since it is stored in array. If the given string value is not equal to the prefix we stored before, we need to reduce the last value. That is, we need to remove the values from the last. So we will get the common value. If the prefix is empty, we return nothing, or else we will return the prefix value. So here I got the output. Thank you.